In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom Chat. If you're already in a Zoom meeting and you want to send a message, the first thing you need to do is open the chat panel. To do that, look for the chat option in your meeting controls and click on it. Once you open it, a chat window or side panel will appear, depending on the device you're using. This is where you can type messages during the meeting without interrupting whoever is speaking, which makes it really useful for quick comments, questions, or sharing information quietly. Now, if you want to send a private message to a specific person instead of posting in the main meeting chat, there's a simple way to do that. Start by clicking on Participants. This will open the list of everyone currently in the meeting. From there, find the person you want to message. Private chat can be helpful when you want to ask someone something directly without sending it to the whole group. After you've opened the participant list, click on the three dots next to the person you want to contact. Those three dots, click to open more options related to that participant. In that menu, click on Chat. This will take you directly to a private chat with that person, so your message is only visible to them and not to everyone else in the meeting. At that point, you can type your message and send it through the Zoom chat window. This is a great feature for side conversations that are still related to the meeting or for sending something discreetly without disrupting the flow of the discussion. One thing to keep in mind is that chat settings in Zoom can sometimes depend on how the meeting host has configured the session. So if you don't see the private chat option, it may simply be disabled for that meeting. In that case, you may only be able to chat with everyone in the meeting rather than with individual participants. Using Zoom Chat is straightforward once you know where to look. Open the chat from the meeting controls, go to Participants if you want to message someone privately, click the three dots next to their name, and then select Chat. That's all it takes to communicate quickly and efficiently during a Zoom meeting.